Imagine harnessing the ability to connect with thousands of potential customers every single day. That's the power of daily social media posting for your business. Like having a conversation with your audience right in their living room or at their office desk. So, you're convinced about the power of daily social media posting. But how can you make it work for your business? Let's talk strategy. To start with, define your social media goals. Are you looking to increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, or increase sales? Your goals will guide your content creation process and help you measure success. Next, identify your target audience. Understanding who you're speaking to will help you tailor your content to their interests and needs, and ultimately, engage them effectively. Now let's talk content. A mix of informative, entertaining, and promotional content is key to keeping your audience engaged. Remember, you're not just selling a product or service, you're selling a lifestyle, a solution, an experience. Use high-quality images or videos, compelling captions, and relevant hashtags to make your posts stand out. And don't forget to interact with your audience. Respond to comments, messages, and reviews to build relationships, foster a sense of community. Lastly, analyze your performance. Use social media analytics to understand what's working, what's not, and how you can improve. Remember, social media is not a one-size-fits-all solution. What works for business may not work for another. So, be flexible, be creative, and be willing to experiment. Now, on to common hitches businesses often stumble upon in their social media journey. First up is the challenge of not reaching enough potential customers. This is where daily posting comes into play. By consistently putting out content, you're increasing the chances of your posts being seen by a wider audience. So think about creating engaging daily posts on platforms like Instagram, maximizing your reach with Facebook's algorithm, or leveraging LinkedIn for those crucial B2B connections. Next, low engagement rates. If your posts aren't making the impact you're hoping for, it might be time to revamp your strategy. Consider boosting engagement with interactive posts, using stories for a more personal interaction, or encouraging user-generated content for greater engagement. Remember, social media is a two-way street. Your audience wants to be heard too. Lastly, we have the issue of inconsistent posting schedules. Consistency is the backbone of social media, and a sporadic posting schedule can lead to decreased visibility and engagement. It's like showing up to a party at random times and wondering why you missed all the fun. So how about planning a month of content in one day, utilizing scheduling tools for consistent posting, or creating a content calendar for your business? In summary, the key to successful social media marketing lies in three main areas: consistency, engagement, and reaching the right audience. It's about making your business a part of your audience's daily routine, sparking conversations, and building relationships. So, embark on your daily social media posting journey and watch your business flourish. Remember, the world of social media is always evolving, so keep learning, keep posting, and keep aiming high. Before we continue, here's a little reminder. If you're finding our content valuable and want more insightful videos like this one, don't forget to hit the subscribe button on my channel, Catty Love. Your support helps us create more content that helps navigate the ever-changing landscape of social media. Thank you for watching.